Hey everyone, welcome back to Sense of Direction, where we make money simple. Today we're talking about something millions of people use every single day without fully understanding what they're signing up for. Buy now, pay later. You've seen it everywhere. A pair of shoes, a new phone, a sofa, split into 4 easy payments, 0 interest. Sounds harmless, right? Today I'm telling you what the adverts don't. Let's get into it. So first, how does buy now, pay later actually work? Services like Klarna, Afterpay, and Clearpay let you take something home today and spread the cost over several weeks or months, often interest-free. On the surface, that sounds like a great deal, and sometimes it is. But here's what they don't put on the banner: late payment fees, soft or hard credit checks depending on the provider, and the very real possibility of juggling multiple plans at once without realizing how much you actually owe. Now, let's talk about the hidden dangers, because there are 3 that beginners almost always miss. Danger 1. BNPL makes overspending feel painless. When something is split into 4 small payments, your brain doesn't register the full price. That 120-pound jacket feels like 30 pounds. That's not an accident. That's by design. You end up buying more than you planned because the barrier to spending feels lower. Danger 2. Missed payments cost you. Miss a payment and you're hit with late fees. With some providers, missed payments are reported to credit agencies, which means your credit score takes a hit. Danger 3. Multiple plans stack up fast. One BNPL plan feels manageable, but 3 or 4 running at the same time, each with their own payment dates, creates a quiet debt spiral that catches people off guard every single month. Now, to be fair, BNPL isn't always the villain. Used intentionally for a planned essential purchase you could already afford, it can actually be a useful tool. The danger is using it as a substitute for money you simply don't have yet. So, what's the smarter move? Save a small amount each week toward the thing you want. Use a separate account so the money is already set aside. Or consider buying secondhand. A short wait beats months of payments every single time. Here's the bottom line. BNPL later isn't free money. It's future money. And your future self deserves better than clearing debts for things your past self bought on impulse. Drop a comment. Have you ever been caught out by BNPL? And subscribe for more honest money talk. See you next time!